Hey, are you a Forex trader? Or are you looking to endeavor in Forex? If so, great. Stay and enjoy the video. It's all about how you can make money with Forex. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started.
To a newbie, learning Forex online looks very simple in the beginning. Take currency pair Euro United States dollars for example. If you bullish on Euro, simply place a buy order. Bearish on Euros, just short it. So easy, you may ask. The truth about Forex trading is that it is a professional activity that not many traders will succeed. I will just go through a few very straightforward pointers on how to consistently generate Forex profits. In the world of Forex currency trading, many newbie traders believe that Forex trading software or system that contains rocket science is more likely able to make money. It may be true, but how many of us will be able to find such a system or methodology? Why not just spend time and money to learn systems or trading methods that are simple but works? In the Forex currency trading, the fact is, simple systems just work best. Simple systems are more robust and easier to trade as you understand the logic and can therefore follow it with confidence I personally feel that it is much simpler to trade with the trends rather than the ranging market. For many successful traders, once they are happy with a system or methodology, they stick with it. Remember, you only make money trading Forex and not having 100 systems or trading methodologies, but trading none of them. In Forex trading, most traders succeeded primarily due to good money management. So long as your system or trading methodologies has a positive profit factor coupled with proper money management, you will succeed in the long run. However, for many Forex trading beginners, after many days and nights of learning and digesting Forex trading courses, purchasing of various Forex trading software and Forex trading system, you still find yourself with a huge hole in your initial capital. As times go by, slowly, your dreams of financial freedom and success begin to fade. You will begin to ask yourself, are you a failure? Are you not intelligent enough to become a profitable Forex trader? After all, there are many successful Forex trading experts out there who are living their online money-making dreams. So the $1 million question, are you cut out to be a profitable Forex currency trading trader? Yes, you can become a profitable Forex trading trader. You just need to treat online Forex trading like running a similar to stock trading or any form of investment trading. You must ask yourself, what is your online Forex trading style? Is it news trading, swing trading, momentum trading, intraday or longer-term Forex trading? It is alright to have a library of Forex trading style or setups, but most money-making foreign currency traders only concentrate on a niche or particular Forex trading style. Learn to do one thing consistently well. Instead of trying to master too many trading methodologies, you have to pick a style that suits you best. What is your foreign currency trading plan? Before any trade entry, you have to ask yourself if this is the right setup entry for your Forex trading style. Where is your exact entry point? What is your Anyone who is involved in foreign currency trading, which does not have a well-defined stop loss, is going to have their entire online Forex trading account wiped out before they even realize it. I knew someone who did just that recently. A US $10,000 account was wiped out within a week without using a stop loss, trading only a few currency pairs. You also need to know what your profit target point is. What is the point of having an online money-making trade, but your Forex trading account does not make any money? Many online Forex beginners don't realize the importance of reward to risk factor for every Forex trade. You will never make money online if you risk $500 but make $100. Follow your well-defined Forex trading plan. Once you have written down a well-defined online Forex trading, you must have the discipline to stick to it. All Forex beginners must remember that discipline and money management are the two most important aspects of Forex trading. Even the greatest Forex trading system or methodology